Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, if you are new, I am Ariana. We are getting into how to smoke out your lower lash line without it looking heavy, and this is just really easy to do if you are curious. Okay, super easy. Let's get into it. These are perfect for like smoky eyes and dramatic looks. So this is what this look looks like without lashes and without the lower smoked out lash line, so sure you can tell the difference. So the first thing we're going in with is a regular black pencil liner. So if you do find that when you line your waterline with pencil liner and it kind of smudges throughout the day, or it kind of bleeds and like just kind of finds its way to like your cheeks, then I would suggest to use a non-budge kind of waterproof liner. The kinds of pencil liners that are like smudge proof that just don't move when you put them on. So here, this is just a regular one. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is a new one that I have. But when you go in to your lower lash line, you're gonna want to go ahead and lower your line your waterline, and you're gonna want to not be like as neat as possible. It's okay if it gets into your actual lash line because we are gonna go in and smudge it out, which I'm doing right now. So I also like to take some really small brushes. I'm using a pencil brush to smudge out the eyeliner that I just placed, and this is the difference. So you definitely do kind of want to get some of that liner onto your lash line. So I actually do not like a really heavy lower liner smoked out lower lash line look, so that's why I like to use smaller brushes. So you're basically just going to go ahead and smudge out that eyeliner, and then we're going in with another transition shade, and I'm using the same brush. So if you do use a smaller brush, then it's not going to take it as far down as possible. It's going to kind of keep the area that you're smudging it out and smoking it out in, keep the area controlled. So after I apply the transition shade, so the reason we're applying the transition shade is to make it look like a nice gradient going from dark to light as we normally do. This is going to make it look as natural as possible while still adding like drama that just looks like it's supposed to be there. Okay, and I also kind of take it into my wing as well, just kind of drag it out just ever so slightly, just so it looks like there's no harsh stops and there's no harsh lines either. And then I like to go in with a big fluffy blending brush just to kind of buff out the edges and make it look just to make sure there's no harsh lines and there's just no hard stops with like the dark, especially when you are working with dark shades. So that is it for the smoking out of the lower lash line. Now we're moving on to mascara. So like I said, I don't like a heavy lower lash line because I feel like it just brings down my eyes, but you know, everyone's preferences are different. So I like to go really light on the mascara, but it does make a big difference, and I always do lower mascara if I am smoking out my lower lash line or even adding just liner to my waterline. It definitely just elevates the look and just brings it all together. So if you do like that heavy lower lower mascara look, then do as you please. But this is like a little light dusting of mascara on my lower lash line, and this is how I like it because I like my eyes just to be like uplifted instead of like brought down and heavy and dark, especially when I'm going in with dark colors. This is the final look with lashes. All the products will be in the description box. Check out my last video for the full tutorial on this eyeshadow look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!